Then, good morning, students. Good morning. Now, Govika, Subiksha, and we are going to present about the SEBI's rules and regulations and how they are protecting the investors. Okay, they are going to present now. All of you listen carefully. Okay, then if you have any doubts after the presentation, you can ask your questions. Okay.
So hello everyone. Today we are going to take seminar on the topic SEBI rules and investor protection. So SEBI is the Securities Exchange Board of India. So it was established in 1988. So the main three objective of SEBI is that first one is to protect the investor. Second one is to promote the development of the security exchange, and the third one is to ensure fair and transparent security exchange process. So the first and the most important rule of SEBI is that any company that wants to raise money from the public, it has to tell all the clear information about the company to the investor before the investor invests into the company. So this is to ensure there is no misinformation and to make the investors take informed decisions. And the second one is to prevent the investors from the unfair trade practices such as price manipulation, insider trading and other fraudulent activities. Insider trading refers to the process of buying and selling securities with the confidential information that is not allowed to the public. So, and the third one will be disclosure of the information, financial information or all other important decisions. So, all the decisions must be disclosed and it should be informed to the investor. And it is again to prevent them from not getting misinformation. And the fourth important thing is the investor protection. So, to protect investors from various fraudulent activities and all this, so they have introduced the investor grievance redressal system. So, with this, the investors are able to file a complaint against the company if the receipts for the dividend is not provided, or if the share transfer is getting delayed, or also if they are facing any other fraudulent activity. And SEBI has to take the actions once the the complaint is filed. And the last thing of the SEBI is that it provides promotional and educational campaigns for the investors, so they teach them what are all the benefits they have while investing through SEBI and how the complaint will be addressed. So yes.
So I'm here to talk about investor grievance. Investor grievance are the problems or the complaints that are faced by the investors who are investing in stock market. They can face these problems or complaints by the brokers or by the companies. It's called as investor grievance. And some of the reasons for them to face this problem can be delay in payment, or it can be because of unfair trade practices that are happening in the company, or no proper receipt of the payment at this time are some of the reasons as to why there is investor grievance.
So as the research about the SEBI, it has the taxation on shares which are first two types. So the one is capital gain taxes and the second is dividends on tax. So first capital gain taxes is of two types, where short term and long term. Short term is within 12 months, the shares are sold within the 12 months, and the long term gain profit is after 12 months, which is the shares sold after 12 months. So next we are talking about the dividend on tax, which is the company gives shares to the shareholders according to the DDT, which is dividend distribution to the shareholders.
So I'll conclude the seminar topic. So that is SEBI helps investors in various ways. It always tries to protect the investors by also giving them education about the investing process, as well as it provides a lot of intermediaries like broker support and all merchant brokers, portfolio managers and mutual funds. So SEBI always tries to protect the investors from various fraudulent activities and other issues they are facing. So by using the investor driven redressal system, they can file complaint at any time whenever they are facing problems, and the problems must be addressed by the SEBI. So yes, thank you.
Students, anybody have any doubt on this?
No.
No, ma'am. Not having it. Then work with it. Thank you.